what? Every arm shot, like everything done.
He said he been pinning, lurking through they text. New opt out, I'm tryna figure who next. He got shot cause he was tryna fuck. G popped out, took a stab into the chest. He awake out the city, all these niggas fresh. Niggas better give us our respect. One full smooth house in his neck, quick curl and I boom house in his chest. Like on the O's, where EK, like just MP, now he MBK. I'm tryna run up on him, put the gun up on him, tryna boom a nigga in his face. We spot our ops, close case, empty the chop. Don't wait, quick through the wall and I'm yelling out 8 to the gate, 48 and me thought he was safe. Now I'm in Harlem, and I'm creeping. Ayo, Ray, I think I see a sweeper. We just knock a nigga, I'm a teacher. Teach him a lesson, bitch, we gon' delete him. I'm really on that bucket for no reason. Don't got the knocks and I'm really gon' beat him. On the hill, parked up, we scheming. You on my daddy, leave that nigga leaking. Sky hit the Siemens looking graphic. 8 ops died, this shit tragic. They ain't scoring, they play for the Mavericks. My niggas blitzing, Green Bay Packers. 4-5 in and push a nigga backwards. Now he is fifth year ghost like Casper. Do a drill on them and start blasting. I smoke nutty, nigga, I ain't passing. Ayo, Suddy, pass me the gun. We don't know O's, we gon' do what we want. Pistol moving, throw him in the trunk, put a shot to his melon, leave that nigga slung. When I hop up the V, I bet them niggas stuck. Lottie with gun, but we don't do no runs. Like with the secrets, but we on the hunt. No O's, so every y'all getting brushed like.
Go through the I ain't coming to play. Better get down when I up with the spray. I get up close and a nigga fillet. He gon' die, don't gotta be today. Might go like go tomorrow anyway. Guess I gon' flock it, I ain't gotta say. Gotta run with these bullets, knock him out of shape. You got a problem, say it to my face. Nigga was hungry, so I let it taste. Put it on talk much, he get the border like he got an offer. He think he hot, okay, I'ma torch him. I put it all in his back, no bullshit. Maybe we can link up, I ain't tryna box so. First nigga up, knock the beef out his taco. Now get loose as he think that he macho bulls. Shots go God. I turn a Vic in the pasto. I go stupid with the trade. You would've thought I was moving. Pass off, tell him catch 22 shots, get rid of. Like he chucking a doozy. Shit get wrapped, break out on the toolie. Fuck a clip, we shoot a movie.